Very happy. The hotel staff is very friendly and helpful. Sri Lankan hospitality to the maximum level. Nice food too. Would highly recommend this hotel. Unforgettable experience. You must come here for the experience of staying in a tea factory. The property is nestled in a tea estate that is vast and full of greenery. This hotel also has the highest elevation in Sri Lanka. You are welcomed with a sandalwood lock and a cup of freshly brewed tea. The hotel has kept the look and decor unchanged from 100 years ago. They run the generator for guests every day from 7:15 to 7:45 p.m. It gets cold at night, so you might want to carry some warm clothes. The dinner buffet is amazing and should not be missed. I highly recommend this hotel for a unique and an unforgettable experience. 5-star experience. Highly recommended hotel. Good location. Good food. Buffet, room very clean. Exceptional. The chef and a couple of other staff who served us, Muthuswamy, Gopal, were very good. Chef went the extra mile to serve us pure vegetarian food. We are thankful to him. Beautiful hotel, great location, great view. Loved the ambience, staff was very friendly and helpful. Chibata kami kako marete ochizuchi datara ichido wa tomate mitai, hoter desurechi shiaru tatema notaketo heiyaya setsubiwa atarashi kute, mondai nakata desu chatsumi taikenganea garishi tataketo, sore demo, otokudashi, totemo chicho naji kano sugase mashita.